Welcome to my channel, and here I will be showing you how you can construct this isometric object. And if you are watching my video for the first time, I want to say thank you, and I want to ask you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video you'll be notified, and help me to share my videos with your friends who are technical drawing students. And as I said, that this particular channel is meant for helping you, or for helping you in knowing more of this technical drawing work to improve on your technical drawing skill. That's the purpose of this particular channel. So subscribe, share the videos with your friends, and do not forget to practice, because this is a practical subject. You need to practice it. So let's see what we want to do here. This is an isometric object, and we are taking this point as the lowest point, and distance from here to here is 30 millimeters. 30 millimeters, and distance from here to here, total distance from here to here is 60 millimeters. What I'm going to do first is that I'm going to produce this face like this. Without this, I first of all produce this face like this. That's what I will do first. So then I will now put this there, then I will put other part there. So that's what I want to do first. So let's start. So the first that we need to do here is to draw a horizontal line like this. Okay, then with our 30-degree set square, so we place it at this point and we draw a line in this direction. Then we turn it to this side, and then we draw a line in this direction. But first of all, I want to work on this side first. So I will draw a vertical line here like this. Draw a vertical line here. Then I'm going to take a measurement of 60 millimeters. So I will be using my set square to take the distance, so 60 millimeters. So this is 60 millimeters. So here I'm going to draw a vertical line at this point. So I'll draw a vertical line. So looking at what we want to produce, so let's look at it. So I'll bring the diagram now. So what we have here now, we have that distance from here to here is 10 millimeters. And distance from here to here is 40 millimeters, and distance from here to here now, for us to get the distance from here to here, the total here is what? Is 60 millimeters. From here to here is 60 millimeters. So, and they said that from here to here is 15 millimeters, from here to here is what? Is 10. So that is 25. So if I remove 25 from 60, so that means I'll have this distance from here to here to be 35 millimeters. So what I'm going to do now is to, and then another thing is the height of the object. The height of the object from here to here is 70 millimeters. I first of all take that 70 millimeters from this line. So I take 70 millimeters, this is 70 millimeters. Now I will transfer it. So I just transfer it to the other side. So transfer this 70 to the other side. Okay, so if I transfer this 70 to the other side like this, so let me complete this. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I will take a measurement of 10 millimeters from here. So I take 10 millimeters from here. Here is 10 millimeters. Then I will come to this side and take 15 millimeters. 15 millimeters. So let me, okay, 15 millimeters. So this is 15 millimeters. Okay, so from this point, and also I will come to this point here and take a measurement of 40 millimeters down. From this point, I'll take 40 millimeters down. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40. So here I have 40. So here I'm going to draw a line. So I'm going to draw a line in this direction to this side. Okay, then I'm going to draw a vertical line here. Here I will draw a vertical line, and here also I will draw a vertical line here. Alright, so with what I've done here, so let me bring out what we have here already, or let me produce this this part in addition to what we have done. So we have been able to draw this shape here except this one. So let me produce this in addition, then I will now take it out. So we have that for this thing. So it start from the end here. So distance from here to here is 20, and the thickness is what? Is 10, and distance from here to here is 20. So what I'm going to do is that from this point here, from this end here, I will extend this line. Then I'm going to take a measurement of 20 millimeters from here to here. So I'll take 20 millimeters. So 20 millimeters, this is 20 millimeters. So I will draw a line from here draw a line from here forward. Then I'm going to take 20 on this line, 20 on this line. So this is 20 millimeters. So from here I will draw a vertical line up like this. Then I'm going to transfer this point, transfer it to the other side. Then I will also draw a vertical line here at this point, draw a vertical line here. Then I will take a measurement of 10 millimeters, 10 millimeters from this point. This is 10 millimeters. Then I will transfer it to the other side like this. Then this point also, so I'm going to draw a vertical line at this point. So draw a vertical line at this point. Then I will transfer this 10. This 10 I will transfer it to join this line, and also this 10 also I will also transfer it to join this line. So the next thing I'm going to do here is to join the point of the meeting point of these 2 points here together like this. So you can see that we have produced that shape. Let's bring out what we have done so far so that we can see it. So all we need to do is to make this line a thick line. So make this line a thick line like this, and this line also will be a thick line. This line here will be a thick line. This line is a thick line. This line is also a thick line. And also we make this line a thick line. So this line is also a thick line from here to here. So from here to here is a thick line. So you can see that we are bringing out the face one by one. So this will also be, this is a thick line. So this line also is a thick line. Okay, so this line also is a thick line. So we make this line also a thick line. Okay, so coming, okay, here also before I go, so we need to make this line a thick line. If you look at the object, you see all these lines to be thick. So also this line, make it a thick line, and this line also will make it a thick line like this. Okay, so which other one do we have? So here also we have this line, so we make it a thick line on this object. So this line is a thick line from here to here, and this line is also a thick line. So you can see that, look at what we have. So this isometric drawing work is very simple. It's very simple. So next thing that we are going to do is to produce this shape here, this rectangle, and then we bring out this shape here. Then we produce this shape, Just look at the way I'm going to do it. It's very simple. What you need to do now is that we have drawn a line. This line here, this line that we have here now, this line that we have here. So we have drawn a line that we are going to use for it. So what I need to do next is that this point on the object, I will transfer it to this side, and this point also I will transfer it to this side. This point here, this point also I will draw a line from here. So I will show you where this line is. So this point also I will draw a line from this point. Also I will draw a line from this point. Now let's get the total width. Total width is, as we have here, is 30 millimeters. This is 10. From here to here is 10. From here to here is 10, and from here to here is 10. So I'll just take 30 millimeters. So taking 30 millimeters from here. Okay, so this is, I'll just take 10, 10, 10. So 10, 10, 10. That is 30 millimeters. So next thing that I'm going to do is to draw a vertical line from this point. Here I will draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so I'll transfer this to the other end of the object. So I'll just transfer this. Okay, so to get the total width all through, that's what we have there. So the next thing I'm going to do is to draw a vertical line on this 10, 10, the 10 that we took. So here I will draw a vertical line up, and here also I will draw a vertical line up like this. Okay, so let's first of all bring out this shape that we have here. So we have that distance from here to here is 5 millimeters. So I just come up here and take 5 millimeters. So 5 millimeters. So this is 5 millimeters. So this 5 millimeters I will transfer it to this side. So I just take it like this, like this. So the next thing I'm going to do is to draw from this point to meet this line, and I will also draw from this point to meet this line. Okay, let me bring out what we have done so far. And okay, um all right, so I'm going to draw. So I'll make this a thick line. So this will be a thick line, this will be a thick line, and this will also be a thick line. So from here down, this line is also a thick line from here down. Okay, so then this line is a thick line. So this line is a thick line, this line is also a thick line. All right, so and then there's something I need to do here. So if you look at this object here, you can see that we can see this line, we can see this line, and this line. So we need to produce them. Also this line, we have to produce this line. So what we need to do is to take our set square and come to this point here, to this point here. Then we draw a vertical line. So we draw a vertical line like this. Okay, now the next thing that we are going to do is that from this point down here, so we draw a line in this direction to meet this line, and then we turn like this. Wherever this line touch this vertical line, we have to produce it to this side. So let me bring out the whole shape here. So I'll make this line a thick line. So this line also will be a thick line. So this line is a thick line, and then so this line is also a thick line from here to here. All right, so you can see that that shape has come out. So the next thing that we are going to do is that, so this line here will be a thick line. This line is a thick line, and also this line is a thick line, and also this line is also a thick line. Okay, so then this line, so from here to here, is a thick line. So here also we also make this line a thick line. But we are not done. We are not done. So this line will also be a thick line from here to here. So I'll show you this line. Okay. Okay. I will make that correction. So this line here, we need to draw this line. I need to draw this line. So I need to come to this point. So I will still erase something there. So I need to come to this point. I will draw a line from this point down like this. Okay, so I will remove this small mistake here. I'll just remove it. So I'm not supposed to draw it to that length. Okay, so I have removed it. So as you can see, so what I need to do now is to draw a line from this point forward. Okay, so I believe you can see it. So there is it. And all right, so as you can see, so we are done with the drawing as we are given. So just for us to replicate what we are given, just look at the shapes that we have there and put it down here. So as simple as I've shown it here. All you need to do is to practice. Thank you for watching, and keep on practicing. God bless you.